Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you about what are the mandatory documents that are required for joining TCS. If you got your offer letter, then congratulations for your offer letter. But before joining, you have to have some mandatory documents with you. So let us start the video. So the documents are the first this is the PDF that shared by TCS in the Nextstep portal, in which all the mandatory documents that are required will be mentioned. So documents, first document was academic records. You must have all your 12th, 10th mark sheet along with all your semester mark sheet, post graduation, graduation or diploma or any degree. Okay. Along with them, you also have a degree certificate, professional certificate for post graduation and graduation and diplomas. Okay, if you don't have these documents, whether degree certificate or provisional certificate, or you didn't complete your degree, then you have to provide a bona fide certificate from your college. Okay, if you don't have enough format of bona fide, you will comment below. I will provide a format. Okay, other relevant documents are the birth certificate issued by the government authorized. If you don't have a birth certificate, then you will also apply for birth affidavit. Birth certificate or birth affidavit both are applicable. Okay, 10th 12th mark sheet is mandatory. Okay, and the birth certificate or birth affidavit should be on 100 rupees stamp paper. If you don't have, then you have to bring 50-50, and if you don't have 50, then 10 of 10. Okay, after that, a valid passport. Passport is a very mandatory document which is required for joining TCS. If you don't have a passport, then apply for passport. It will minimum takes 20 to 1 month to get your passport. Okay, so you should have to apply for your passport. If you apply and you don't have your passport, still get, but you have to submit acknowledgement number in your passport field. After that, you have an offer letter and joining letter with you, having a sign on offer letter at each and every page. Okay, the next document is date of birth. Date of birth, you should submit your Aadhaar card for date of birth, or if you have a date of birth certificate, that will also be valid. Okay, these are gratuity, superannuation, provident fund and health insurance. I will talk you later. Okay, after that, permanent account number, PAN card is very mandatory. Okay, if you don't have, apply for it and submit. Understood? After that, medical certificate. Medical certificate should be signed by M MBBS or MA, MD and MBBS. Understood? It should be signed by MBBS. There a proper format will be provided for medical certificate. Understood? Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card, it's a very mandatory. So these are documents, and this is other document, service agreement. Service agreement will be provided to you with a proper format in next step portal. From there you will download your format, and I will also share the format, and I will also share that what you have to fill in the service agreement. Understood? And that service agreement you have to be put on into the 100 paper stamp. Understood? This is all these are related to service agreement. Surety verification is also at the end of the service agreement. When you fill all the fields of this service agreement, at the end you have to sign from a surety person, from a person that will take care of your manager. It should be manager of a national bank, whether the surety holder of an account, and gadget officer. It should be a tehsildar of the village or employer of the surety. These are the things you will go through it. Okay, after that you have to submit affidavit notarized undertaking. This is a document that is required, that you do not have any criminal cases on you. Understood? There is a proper format provided in the TCS ILP corner, first year joining and joining formalities. In this you will get this, that what is the format of non-criminal affidavit. Medical certificate, I have already told you about. Background check verification, this is small verification that will be provided to you. There will be a call from your TCS background verification. Okay, you have to just give you a PAN card of your, and have a photocopy of your PAN card. That will help you to get your background check verification completed. Onboarding forms. Okay, onboarding forms you have to fill into the next step portal. These are some provident fund you have to fill, gratitude norm, gratitude form you have to fill. Super notation form is not for us. We are not eligible. Okay, so declaration form and group life insurance, these are the forms you have to fill into the onboarding, OBF onboarding forms. Okay, National Skill Registry. What are National Skill Registry? National Skill Registry is a database in which all the information related to you will be kept. Yet in which company you have joined and at the what time period you have joined that company. Okay, so it's a very mandatory document. You have to apply for it, and it will surely take an half an hour to complete this and fill the form and get your National Skill Registry card, e-card. Okay, so these are all the documents that you have to required before joining TCS. So get ready with this document if you got joining letter or joining date near about. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.